To make the Windows installation go more smoothly, the first thing that the installer does is creates a folder called $Windows and then a tilde BT. This folder then is used to copy all the setup files and all the system files from the disk, from the USB or the DVD disk, to this folder, so that now the Windows installation can take place from this folder rather than from that disk. That way, if something happens to the disk, or it doesn't read well, or crashes in the middle, or you take it out in the middle, it can still finish installing it. Now, this is a hidden folder, and you can tell that from the $. Any folder that has a $, or file that has a $, in front of it doesn't show up by default when you make a list in File Explorer. So all those setup files are moved to that Windows, it should say have a $, there as well, that Windows BT folder, and then they're installed from there. At the same time, if you're doing an upgrade, then the old Windows operating system is kept in another folder called Windows.old. Now also, if you're doing an upgrade from inside one that you've already done, or not an upgrade, excuse me, a clean install from a partition that already has Windows on it, the same thing will happen. It will also make a Windows old and put the old version of Windows that was already in that partition on it. It will keep that around for 10 days. This is so that if there's a crash or something happens, or it can't continue for any reason, it can roll back nice and easily to that old Windows system without a hitch. I've seen it done many, many times, and it is just seamless the way it works. Also, after you're done, this thing stays around for 10 days, and if you change your mind, you don't want to roll your system back, that's available to you to do that. As a matter of fact, if I click over here on Settings, and let's go to the Home tab, Update and Security, and then Recovery, you notice I have here go back to a previous version of Windows 10. Now this option is no longer available because it was updated more than 10 days ago. So that means that Windows old file is now gone. It was deleted automatically by Windows. So that stuff goes on during installation. It's kind of nice to know some of the innards of how it works. In the next video then, we're going to take on a number of post-installation tasks, and you'll see that I've got 12 of these things, so we're going to have to break that one up into multiple videos as well.